My dear brothers and sisters, welcome back to your favorite channel, the Holiness Teaching Channel, where our priority is to keep your soul from hell. Today we will be talking about spiritual distraction, the silent killer of your destiny. Brothers and sisters, what if I told you that the greatest threat to your soul is not sin, not persecution, not even the devil attacking you, but spiritual distraction? What if you're not falling away from God, you're just slowly drifting? And what if the enemy doesn't need to destroy you, he just needs to distract you? Stay with me. This may expose something that's silently stealing your spiritual power. We live in the most distracted generation in history. Notifications, endless scrolling, endless content, endless noise. But here's the deeper issue. Spiritual distraction is not just being busy. It is being spiritually unfocused while thinking you're spiritually fine. You still believe, you still attend church, you still post Bible verses, but your hunger has faded. Your prayer life has weakened. Your conviction has softened, and you don't even realize it's happening. That's what makes it dangerous. In Luke 10 verses 38 to 42, we meet two sisters, Mary and Martha. Martha was serving, busy, active, productive. Mary was sitting at Jesus' feet, and Jesus said something shocking. Martha, Martha, you are worried and troubled about many things, but one thing is needed, and Mary has chosen that good part, which shall not be taken away from her. Notice this. Martha wasn't sinning. She was distracted, and distraction made her miss the presence of Jesus. This is the danger. You can be active in church, active in ministry, active online, active in business, and still miss the one thing that matters most. The enemy doesn't always attack with temptation. Sometimes he attacks with overcommitment, emotional drama, endless content, constant noise, good opportunities that are not God's assignment. Spiritual distraction slowly drains your prayer life, weakens your spiritual sensitivity, normalizes compromise, replaces intimacy with activity. You start surviving spiritually instead of burning spiritually. And here's the scariest part. You don't feel alarmed because distraction is comfortable. Be honest with yourself. Here are a few signs that you are spiritually distracted. 1. You scroll more than you pray. 2. You react emotionally more than you seek God first. 3. You feel spiritually dry but blame circumstances. 4. You are constantly busy but rarely still before God. 5. You consume spiritual content but rarely apply it. Spiritual distraction makes you a consumer instead of a disciple. And there's a difference. The cause of spiritual distraction. Look at Hebrews 2 verse 1. We must pay more careful attention so that we do not drift away. Notice the word drift. You don't drift intentionally. You drift passively. No one wakes up and says, "Today I will abandon my first love." It happens slowly, quietly, comfortably, and by the time you realize it, your fire is gone. How do you break free? 1. Return to stillness. 2. Turn off the noise. 3. Sit before God daily, even if it feels dry. 4. Guard your attention. Your attention is your spiritual gateway. Where your focus goes, your spirit follows. Simplify your life. Not every opportunity is divine. Not every open door is from God. Recover your first love. Go back to when prayer was hunger, not obligation. Let me say something bold. The next revival will not start with louder worship. It will start with deeper focus. In a world addicted to distraction, The most dangerous believer is the one who has mastered attention, because focus fuels fire, and fire changes atmospheres. If this message convicted you, don't ignore it. Type in the comments, "I choose focus over distraction." That declaration matters. If you are serious about walking in holiness and spiritual discipline, subscribe now. This channel is not for casual Christians. It's for believers who want depth. And if you want to go deeper, check out my book, Be Ye Holy, for I Am Holy, available in paperback and ebook. The link is below. It will challenge and sharpen your walk with God. Also, share this video with someone who feels spiritually tired but doesn't know why. You are not under attack. You may just be distracted, and today that changes. Are you seeking to go deeper in your walk with God, into this life of holiness? I've written books. These books reveal how holiness and obedience open the door to God's presence and blessings. They are simple, biblical, and practical, perfect for personal study, home groups, and for anyone who desires to grow spiritually. You can find it on eBay and online. The links are in the description. I appreciate your support, and God bless you.